Hi everybody, now I will be practice about all stuff. Let's start. The first or for for I come for walk with my girlfriend. For what? For relax and improve healthy. For in? Yes. For when? At 5 o'clock. The second or call. Hello Nam. Hi Smith. I've been called to you at 6 o'clock last Saturday. I'm sorry, I've been busy last all day, so now I'm calling to you. Yes, I felt bored when I didn't connect to you. Okay, so hence, so you can call me when you want. The third, or off. I often see her in my free time. I see. She often smiles nice. She often says to me, I'm a Kylie guy. I feel so happy when I listen it, and I says thanks so much to her. Or sound door. I stood near door house, and after the pub on the door, she opened the door, and I said, I love you so much. Thank you for watching.